This is our lesson number 80 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. From this lesson, we are learning different countries' sapphires. Country-wise, the inclusions will difference. So we can identify the origin of the country of the gemstone. Origin, gemstone origin. So starting with this 80 lesson, L80 lesson, I will teach inclusions in different countries. Study it well with printed copies. Take printed copies and write in a short note in your book. That is the way you are learning. Let's learn about sapphire inclusions in Kashmir, India. We are moving to inside. Here, let's learn about sapphire inclusions in Kashmir, India. But remember, these Kashmir mines were finished, all mines were finished in 1930. Nobody can find Kashmir blue from those mines already finished, like Alexandrite finished in Russia. I mentioned that earlier lessons. Now we are moving. There are four inclusion patterns described here, cover photo. We are moving to the inside of the lesson. It is lesson number 980. Velvety growth and zoning in the Kashmir sapphire. Look at the inclusion here, blue sapphire found from Kashmir, India. See the velvet look. It is like green, blue velvet cloth like. So that is called velvety growth. This is very, very expensive stone. And zoning also there. See the zoning. See the zoning. Velvety growth and zoning. It is very special feature in Kashmir sapphire. It is found only in Kashmir. So remember this. We are moving to the lesson. See, growth zoning and streamers in the Kashmir sapphire. Growth zoning and streamers in the Kashmir sapphire. Look at this. Identify it. It is very easy to find out. It is natural stone. No heating methods used. Natural. See the beauty of the inside. So it is growth zoning and streamers. We are moving to next. Look at this second picture. You can identify very well. It is different than the other sapphires. It's like snowflakes. Snowflakes like inclusions in Kashmir sapphire. Look at this. Similar to snowflakes. It is velvety Kashmir sapphire. Inside the snowflakes. We are moving to next. See here. Comet tails like a comet. Comet tail inclusions we can find in this Kashmir sapphire. Comet tail like. Look at here. Snowflake like inclusions. Snowflakes like inclusions. See, snowflakes like inclusions here. It is Kashmir. The origin is Kashmir. Here, another one. This is, we learned this earlier in rubies. Can you remember? Ladder inclusions. see the ladder inclusions. We are discussing now in next lessons. It is maybe future lessons. In rubies, we can find these kind of inclusions. Burma rubies. But here it is blue sapphire, Kashmir sapphire. It is called ladder inclusions. See the ladder inclusions. It is very special inclusions. We can't find the other in other countries. So the origin is declaring by these inclusions. This is Burma. Look at the zoning also, color zoning. Ladder inclusions and color zoning is another mark to remember. What is here? Crystal inclusions. These are the crystal inclusions with tails. Crystal inclusions. This is the inclusion. This is the tail. Like comet. So it is special in Kashmir, India. Here, the seventh one, velvety growth and zoning in the Kashmir sapphire. See this? These are the zoning. These are the velvety look. It is very special. See. See the differences. Velvety look and the zoning. We are moving to next. What is this? You can see properly the velvety look and long pagasite needle. It is a needle. Pagasite needle inclusions in the Kashmir sapphire. These kind of pagasite inclusions are coming with India's Kashmir blue sapphires. So we can tell properly it is origin is Kashmir, India, origin is India, Kashmir, and these are the long pagasite needles. You can see the ladder inclusions here. See the ladder inclusions and the color zoning. Ladder and zoning is here. So it is definitely Kashmir sapphire in India. What is this? Typical inclusion as seen through a faceted gemstone. So look at here. Ladder-like vision also here. And the snowflakes like also here. These are snowflakes like natural Kashmir blue sapphire. This one, typical inclusion as seen through a faceted gemstone. See. Zoning also there. The velvety look also there. So it is giving sharp evidence regarding the origin of the stone. See here, velvety zoning and velvety look is here. You can identify very well. Velvety look and the color zoning also there. So it gives the main evidence it is from Kashmir. Okay. We are moving to next lesson in after 2 weeks, lesson 81. In this lesson, we learn Kashmir blue sapphires. In 81 lesson, we are learning Sri Lanka and Madagascar sapphires. Join us, learn and connect with the gem industry to enrich your future. Not only your future, country's future. So remember to give like and share and subscribe. Okay, we'll meet in next 81 lesson.